Explain about the hoisting rope and all components it is connected to.
Hoisting ropes are essential components in an elevator system, responsible for lifting and lowering the cab. These steel cables are robust and flexible, connecting the elevator cab to the counterweight and motor dock.
Explain what function the lift buffer has during a lift malfunction.
During a lift malfunction, the lift buffer serves as a crucial safety mechanism. Buffers can be oil or spring-based, each offering specific resistance to decelerate the cab effectively. This ensures that even in a malfunction, the elevator stops safely, protecting passengers and equipment from harm.
Explain about the lift governor.
The lift governor is a crucial safety device in an elevator system, designed to monitor and control the speed of the elevator cab.
Explain about the live lift training unit and how it works with other things in the lab.
The live lift training unit at ITE lab integrates with various lab components to provide comprehensive elevator operation training. It features a realistic elevator simulator where trainees interact with control panels and practice safety protocols. What is an overspeed governor in a traction lift system? How does it enhance safety?
The overspeed governor monitors lift speed, activating speed brakes during excess speed to prevent free fall, ensuring all passenger safety.
This is your overview chart and your score is final score, 48%. Click on Summary or Details report for more information.